right through me. On the dying days when I ask for forgiveness or myself. Hey, Mr. Bully, what you think when you push me out of my own head where everything makes sense? Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on, holding on to your loss. Where do you think you'll find me when you destroy what is inside me? I'll carry on. Say it's over when nothing's closer to what you're afraid for. Close the chapter where I'm ripping out my pages. Stop the fire under my skin, or light the blaze again that stood alive for ages. Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on, holding on to your loss. Where do you think you'll find me when you destroy what is inside me? I'll carry on, I'll carry on, I'll carry on, I'll carry on.
I can feel the power, I can feel the power. Feel the power. Yeah, money that is time and hour. Time and hours. Yeah, well, I better activate the power. I'ma activate it, gotta make it, gotta chase it. I don't care what they be saying, I'ma do it now. And I've been really slaving, I ain't giving up and I ain't giving in. Do it now for the dividends, I'll be on the path, I just gotta get it. Cause I got my mind on some bigger things, so man, I ain't gonna give in now. I just gotta live this now, I be gonna be man, I'ma kill this stuff real quick. I'ma go take it to town, cause I gotta be that king in the ring. When I'm knocking it out, when I'm back with the real. Cause I am just up on the journey, you just know that I'm just going insane. closer to some things that I might see. And when I do, I could never get no sleep. 'Cause I just need to get it, man, I need to be the thing that I just painted out, man, you won't go see. See my vision, I'll be in it, I'ma kill it, I'ma take it all. Coming in, I'ma play it now, I'ma kill him dog, I'ma play the ball, 'cause I gotta go and get it, man, I really just need it. Tell these guys that they can beat it, I'ma get it, I'ma grab it, man, take it, never receive it, I'ma make it mine. I'm explosive like a mine, I've been working every time, yeah, I do it on the grind. I'ma shine, yeah, every single day. I'ma kill this competition, 'cause I'm going so insane. Hey, I really go so insane. Yeah, I guess really ran through the pain, but I'm just back on my path and I fixed it now. It's really all okay. So I ain't gonna waste my chance and just my time. So I'ma be a monster. I'ma kill him. This is mine. Yeah, yeah. I am ready to fire, I got a million desires that I just need to go achieve, I just need to acquire. So I've been climbing up this ladder, yes I'm going up higher. I need to do it till the day that I might retire.
Hey Mr. Bully, won't you just see right through me? On the dying days when I ask for forgiveness or my soul. Hey Mr. Bully, what you think when you push me out of my own head where everything makes sense? Breathing in the lies that keep me open from the truth that keeps me holding on, holding on to your loss. Where do you think you'll find me when you destroy what is inside me? I'll carry on. Say it's over when nothing's closer to what you're afraid.